Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. Hello friends, this is my first question and answer episode number 1. I was taking some random questions from our comment box. My first question is why you are not assigning wall load for your models. So basically while designing any kind of a building, just I will consider only the frame models. So I was not consider any type of wall. So that's why I am not considering any type of wall load conditions for the building design considerations. So if you are interested to take any wall load, just you need to apply the wall load for the beam sections. I will show you the calculation below, so please watch that calculations. So here we need to take the parameters like thickness of the wall, unit weight of the brickwork, as well as height of the wall. So here I am considering 0.23 is my thickness of the wall. We need to multiply this respected thickness with the unit weight of the brickwork is 19. We need to multiply this with 3. It will give the value of 13.11 kilonewton per meter. So we need to apply this respected 13.11 load kilonewton per meter for the beam sections. So this is my first question answer. So second question is what is one way slab and what is two way slab. Basically one way slab is a slab which is supported on two supports for the beam sections. So the load distribution takes place in one direction only. So let us consider these are two beams. So it was supported with one slab here. So this is my slab. The load distribution will be takes place in this one direction only. So due to presence of this load distribution in one direction, the slab will be deflect like this. So two-way slab is nothing but the slab is supported on four beams. So here we have one beam and here we have one beam, third beam as well as fourth beam. The slab is supported on four corners of this respected beam. The distribution of the loads will be takes place equal for the four beam sections. So the load distribution part will be high in case of one way slab, then two way slab. The perfect example for the one way slab is veranda constructions. So it was supported on two beams only for veranda construction in apartments. So there we need to consider one way slab design. Normal slab will be comes under your two way slabs. So this is the explanation for my second question, one way slab as well as two way slab. Now the third question, what is StatPro? Generally StatPro is nothing but your structural analysis and designing program. This software will be used for designing of any kind of structures which are related to buildings or tanks or other type of structures. StatPro software is also designed medium rise buildings, high rise buildings as well as low rise buildings. This software was developed by Bentley company. So most of the civil engineers, almost 50% of the civil engineers will be used this respected StatPro software only for designing of any kind of building. StatPro software will give you accurate results for the AST requirement and AST percentage for the section of beam as well as section of column sections. So it will give you accurate results than other softwares. So that's why most of the civil engineers are using StatPro software for designing any kind of structure. So it is friendly software, so it will give you more advantages than other softwares. Fourth question, what is retrofittation of the building? Make a video in StatPro. So generally retrofittation is nothing but the increasing the size of the column of existing column. So for example, let us consider ground floor building is there. So we need to construct another 2 floors on that ground floor building. So I was constructed this respected building in past 20 years. Past 20 years I was not consider any kind of IS code calculations and design parameters for designing of this respected building. So this reinforcement values of the ground story will only applicable for existing building only. So in order to add 2 more stories on this respected ground story, we need to add extra reinforcement for the column sections. So we need to add extra reinforcement bars and extra reinforcement of a concrete section. So for example, let us consider I was constructed with 0.23 cross 0.23, 9 inches cross 9 inches column was constructed on the ground story. So we need to increase that respected column size to 12 cross 12, nothing but 1 feet cross 1 feet. So we need to increase the size of that respected column in order to construct another 2 floors. Adding extra reinforcement for the existing columns to increase the size is nothing but your retrofittation. Most of the people are using this retrofittation technique to construct a number of floors on existing building. So this is best technique. In StatPro software, it is impossible to add extra reinforcement for existing column. So that's why I was not did a video on a retrofittation technique. So I was done the video on ETABS software. So I will provide you that video link in above card link and description of this respected video. Please watch that video. My fifth question is my StatPro model is showing 12 mm bar sizes for all designs. Why? To overcome this error, I will suggest you 2 methods. First method is, while designing your beam or column section, we need to consider maximum reinforcement of the bar and minimum reinforcement of the bar for the secondary section as well as primary section. We need to apply the values of the primary section as well as secondary section for the beam section and column section. So after that we need to analyze this respective structure. So after analysis process is completed, you can get the values of your respective 16 mm bars or 20 mm bars. So this is the one method. So another method is, with the help of this 12 mm bars AST percentage as well as your AST requirement values, we can calculate the values of the respective 12 mm bars reinforcement as well as 20 mm bars reinforcement with the help of manual method also. So this is also one of the good technique for overcoming this respective 12 mm bars reinforcement section. So if possible, I will make a video how to convert this 12 mm bars reinforcement section to the 16 mm bars reinforcement section or 20 mm bars reinforcement section. So this is the answer for this respected question. My sixth question is, creation error failed in StatPro, what we do? So generally most of the people are observe this kind of error in SS6 version software only. So my suggestion is to download SS5 version software and uninstall SS6 version software. While defining seismic loading condition in SS6 version software, you will observe creation error failed message for SS6 version software. So please uninstall that program and install SS5 version software. If possible, I will provide you SS5 version software link below description. Please download that software and install your operating system. So this is my solution for the creation error fail. Otherwise, I will provide you how to overcome creation error fail video in above card link and below description of the video. Please follow that video. So this is also one of the best solution for the sixth question. So this is my sixth question. So seventh question is, are you providing any online classes for civil engineers? So yes, I am providing online classes for civil engineers regarding structural engineering and architectural engineering. In structural engineering, I am training StatPro software, ETAP software as well as SAP software. Architecture software is Revit software. So I am charging 2000 rupees per software for online classes. If you are not able to pay 2000 rupees, my suggestion is to take my gold level membership. If you take gold membership, I will give you video series for the respected StatPro software training. In the same way, I will give you ETAP series also, and in the same way, I will provide you SAP software also. So this is my answer for the seventh question. So this is my first question and answer episode. So if you have any queries about structural engineering, architectural engineering, drafting engineering, please comment your questions and get answers in upcoming question and answer episode video. From this, I will make question and answer episode on every week Saturday. The people who are taken already memberships for my channel are requested to please text me in my WhatsApp. I will provide you series of tutorials. Thank you.